step one, print the manual, have a read through. It's not that big, not that complicated, and a lot of it is very similar to other products that we're using in the marketplace. Just like the other saveBOARD products, you'll use your woodworking tools to make any cuts, sort out any penetrations that need to go in the sheets before it goes up. We like to use our Makita rail saw. Once you've cut, sand any rough edges. So we're ready to install on our wall here, and we will glue it up like other traditional internal liners. Using a standard construction adhesive, we'll glue it 300 mils on the center studs and dwangs. We like to mark our board out on the ground before we install it. You also need to make sure that the bottom of the board is 6 to 10 mils off the floor using packers, and the board needs to be a minimum of 18 mils on a stud. Non-braced walls, you can use a brad gun and glue. For best results, saveBOARD recommends a grade 5 full skim on all Paperfaced products.